My Honeywell Pro Series thermostat is displaying the low battery warning. I am going to show you how to take the thermostat off the wall and put in new batteries. You just grab it, hang on to it, and just gently rock it back and forth and pull. It pops out, and here you can see the two batteries. Positive is facing this way, and positive is facing up. As long as you swap them out in 2 minutes, you don't have to reprogram. So, if I can do this in front of the camera, take one of them out, take the other out, put in the new batteries. Remember that positive goes to the right, and positive goes to the top. There you go. Then I'll turn it around, put it back on. And as you can see, the low battery warning is gone. I did it in less than 2 minutes, so I don't have to reprogram it. Hope you found that helpful. Thanks.